Right now I'm having Node MCU microcontroller, the most commonly used microcontroller for IoT projects. The reason behind this is it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi module. Hi everybody, this is Momin here from Mount Dynamics, and in this video you will be learning how to get started with Node MCU. In this project, we will learn how to add ESP8266 board on Arduino IDE software, how to make the built-in LED blink, how to add Blink app library to Arduino IDE software, and how to control LEDs through mobile using Blink app. We have Node MCU with us. You can see it has a micro USB port, a flash button, a reset button. It has a voltage input pin where you can give the voltage through here or this micro USB port. Then we have 9 digital pins, multiple 3 volt and multiple ground pins we have. Then we have one analog pin. Then we have SPI pins. One thing is that you have to pay attention on that these digital pins they don't correspond to ESP8266 GPIO numbers. So you need to do pin mapping while coding. You have to be careful with that. Then pretty much it. And yeah, and if any sensor is there and that sensor needs 5 volts, you will not be able to get 5 volts from here. So there's a pin called voltage of USB. So if you give 5 volts here, you might you will get 5 volts from this pin. To install ESP8266 board in the Arduino IDE software, you have to follow this procedure. Open Arduino IDE software, then go to File, click Preferences. Once you go to Preferences, paste this link. This link will be shared in the description. Then click OK. Once this is done, go to Tools, go to the board and click Boards Manager. Here type ESP8266. If you type, you will see this. Click Install. This is how you can install ESP8266 to the Arduino IDE software. Here now we will make the LED to blink. For that we have to open the Arduino IDE software. Once you open the Arduino IDE software, we have to select the board, which is a Node MCU. So we'll do it now. We have to go to Tools. From Tools, go to Board. From Board, select ESP8266. From there, you click Node MCU 1.0. So now the board is selected. Now to go to the code, go to File, select Examples. From there you can see ESP8266. From there you click Blink. So the code will appear. Once the code will appear, what you have to do is we will connect it now, and we'll make sure the COM port is selected. You can see board is been selected. The COM is, we'll select the COM port 5. Okay. So now we will upload. Now it's compiling. Yes, now you can see the LED is blinking. I'll reduce the brightness. Yeah, you can see clearly the code is working. First, you have to open the Blink app. Before this page, you will be told to sign up. So what you do is you sign up using your current email ID. Make sure that email ID you use is frequently used because you don't forget which email ID you have given. Then you click to New Project here. Once you click to New Project, you have to give a name for the project. I will give it as LED blink. Then you have to select the device. You have to select node MCU. Okay, then connection type will be Wi-Fi. Then click create. Once you click create, this will appear that the token has been sent to your Gmail account. So it's important. Why? Because while coding you need that token, so you copy that from your Gmail and paste it in your Arduino IDE software while coding. Then this page will appear. Here what you have to do is click top second left second right button. Then there's a widgets box will appear. Then I'll choose button, so I'll click it on button. So once you click, you have to customize the button, so I'll click it on that. Then you give a name to the button. I'll give LED switch. Then output, our output is the pin you connect the anode of LED, that is D2. Then mode is switch or push, you can put anything. Then you give a label to the switches. Then that's it. This is ready. Now what you have to do is only coding is left. Once you code, then after you do the coding, after it's uploaded, click top right button, so that after that you can click the switch, so that the LED will switch on and off. To download Blink app library to the Arduino IDE software, type Blink library for Arduino IDE. Then click search. Go to the GitHub page. From there you click on code, then download zip, and go to Arduino IDE software, go to sketch, include library, add zip library. Then add the zip library which you have downloaded. Once you do that, click open. Then that's it. The library will be included in your Arduino IDE software. Now we'll connect the node MCU to the breadboard. After connecting, we'll take a LED. The anode part will be connected to D2. Connected to the ground. Okay, so for coding, go to file. From file, go to examples. From examples, you go down, you can see here Blink. So the library has been added. From Blink, you go to boards Wi-Fi. From there, you click to ESP8266 standalone. So once you open, you get this code. You get this code. What you have to do is you can see this part, the token will be sent to your Gmail, so we'll take it from our Gmail, and here we have to add the personal hotspot or Wi-Fi's username, SSID, and your password. So let's add it now. Okay, you can see I have pasted the token over here, which was sent to me by Blink app to my Gmail account. Here is the router SSID and the password. So that's it. We'll upload it. And we'll check whether it's working or not. By the time I'll open the Blink app, we'll open the project which I had created. The LED switch is ready, so it's uploading now. Yeah, so it's uploaded. Uploading is done. I've opened the Blink app. You can see the switch here which I've created just before 5 minutes. Okay, I'll switch it on. You can see LED is switched on. Now I'll switch it off. You can see it's off now. So it's working fine. Okay, I've added 2 more LEDs, and I'll be controlling these LEDs by adding 2 more switches to the Blink app. You don't need to upload the code or change the code. It remains the same, just you have to add the switches and then control it like how I'm doing it. That's it for this video. If you have liked this, please do subscribe. Thank you.